Is it all hype or is it an actual cleaning product? It's a well-known brand that all of us have heard of and it is still growing. But why? Does this product actually work? That's the big question. Today we're putting Purdy and Fig brand to the test. Sorry, battery died. So yeah, just to be clear, I'm scrolling through the website and there is nothing that says these cleaning solutions are anything in particular. They don't give any great detail away. So, not too sure about that, really. We'll put them to the test, use them ourselves and see how we get on. First things first, what I will say, despite it's being delivered by a really rubbish delivery company, so they usually lose every delivery, if you know that one, you know what I mean. It was a very quick delivery. I will say that. It turned up quickly, it was here, and obviously it's small enough that it can go through your letterbox, which is good. However, it's not very impressive when it arrives, at least in the box. The branding itself is quite plain, although it is on there, but that doesn't make any difference to how the product works. So let's open it up and let's have a look. So quite nice inside, simple explanations on the box. So there's simple steps. Step 1, pour the whole product, pour the whole 20 ml concentrate into your bottle for life. What bottle for life? I thought we had a bottle for life. We'll have to check whether or not we ordered the thing because we don't have a bottle for life. Luckily, we have loads of bottles. Anyway, so there they are. That's the actual product. Nice little instruction manual, I assume. Just counter clean. Counter clean. Counter clean. Well, so why are they all counter clean? So every single one of them is counter clean. Does it disinfect? Need to double check that. Swap scents every now and again to avoid nose blindness. That's just smell, that's not cleaning. Sometimes less is more. Counter clean packs a punch even in small amounts. 2 targeted sprays are all you need. The perfect finish. Your subscriptions, your rules. Visit the member portal to switch scent ranges, change delivery dates or add new products to your order. I need to make sure I haven't set up a renewing subscription for that. Okay, so yeah, I'm still not impressed. Lots of cautions on the back of those products. Don't like the look of that straight away. Surfactants, perfume, lots of perfume, benzyl alcohol. Okay, so most of it's alcohol based. It's alcohol based. It's pretty much alcohol. Okay. So yeah, for me, personally, because I want to know what is actually going to be done, this is still quite overwhelming, but I'm going to reserve judgment though. We are going to put them in a spray bottle, we are going to take them home and we are going to put them to the test and see how we get on. Now, okay, so now what we have to do is mix up our bottles. Like I said, I haven't got a bottle for life. We're on our plastic bottles that we use in the company. We've got 3 different scents. Orange and clove counter cleaner, spruce counter cleaner and fig counter cleaner. I still don't know why we've got 3 different products. I still can't find out whether or not they are disinfectant or anything else. So I'm going to look into that. I'm going to go with the orange and clove. Why? Because I would imagine it would be the strongest. It's definitely the strongest. So we put the whole lot into a 500ml bottle. So there's 20ml in that. into the 500ml bottle. That is glass, so that can be recycled. And then we fill up. Now technically that's the wrong way round. So if you were going to use Kosh, which I should have known that straight away, I do know that, but I should have followed that, you would do it the other way around. So it doesn't matter because we're in a domestic house, but if it was commercial, it wouldn't work. Right, and then we have a surface cleaner. So I'm going to put it to the test. I'm going to walk around, I'm going to do a bit of cleaning, and then I'm going to use this in the office and at home for the next week and see how we get on. What I really don't like about this is it doesn't say if it is it's a surface cleaner. So I'm going to say that it's a general cleaner, so it's not kitchen, it's not bathroom, it is literally, I suppose, as it says, general surfaces. That's a funny smell. Not sure about that. I mean, it's appropriate for this time of year. I'm filming at Christmas, just before Christmas, and it's a very Christmassy scent.
One week later.
Purdy and Fig cleaning solutions. What is the final verdict? We've used them, we've put them to the test, and what have we seen? The experience of buying them, getting them delivered, all of that side of things, not too bad at all. Not great, but not too bad. But it comes down to the actual product itself. There isn't enough to say that these clean or sanitize as you would expect from a cleaning solution. I've got to be honest, the website, the packaging, even the bottles, it all comes across more like a perfume than a cleaning solution. When you're actually cleaning with it, I can't say it does much more than general water and a microfiber cloth. So would I buy them? Again, no, I wouldn't. I'm not impressed. I don't rate them. I think they're actually quite pretentious, and I certainly do not think they're a good cleaning product. That's my opinion. I hope it helps you. If you would like to see some more reviews of other products, then you can click here to check out our other videos. Please do click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and drop in the comments if you disagree with me, if you agree with me, or if you have any other cleaning conundrums you'd like us to try and help you solve. Thank you very much for watching, and lastly, why not click over here to see the review of the Henry Quick Stick Vacuum. Thank you.